What is up, people? My name is Abraham Walker, and this is Where to Live in Northern Virginia. Today's tour is our 22nd walking tour on this channel. We have a goal of walking all the attractions that make Northern Virginia unique and hopefully inspire you to go explore the area. To see previous walking tours, click the link in the right-hand corner to check out the walking tour playlist. We've made two recent updates to the tours that we hope you enjoy. First, we've added a map that allows you to follow us along the trail. When you visit the attraction, you can pull up this video to see what we see. Second, we added titles to the songs we're playing throughout the tour. Since we get a few questions about the song selection, it makes sense to include the artist and song name in the video. Let us know in the comment section if you like these new features. Also, post any ideas you have for ways that we can improve these walking tours. Today we're taking a spin around Meadowlark Botanical Garden's 95 acres in Vienna, Virginia. Let's address the elephant in the room first. This place isn't free. When we went, we paid $6 per person. There are annual passes, but we have no plans to visit enough times to break even on the family plan. We'll post the prices on the screen now so you can know before you go. 9750 Meadowlark Gardens Court is the address of the facility, and there's ample parking with quick access to the trail. To give you an idea where Meadowlark is located, it's only 4.1 miles from Tyson's Corner Center, 17 miles from Dulles Airport, and 17 miles from the White House. Now that we've talked about the logistics, let's get into what you'll see on this walking tour. As soon as you leave the main facility, you're greeted by a sea of tulips and lilies. Since we're taking this tour in early spring, the flowers were putting on a performance for the camera. Meadowlark has a few trails you can take with varying levels of difficulty. If you do not feel like pushing yourself, stay on the paved trails or get a slight workout by going on the dirt trails, which have a slight elevation change. Along the trails, there are ponds, several benches, and a rather nice gazebo. I find that these three features are positioned nicely throughout the trail to give anyone nice breaks along the way and ample places to reflect and relax while you take in the scenery. There are even some Adirondack chairs that are easy to get in and hard to get out, but they are super relaxing. As you can expect with a walking tour of a botanical garden, there are a wide variety of trees and flowers. The two main features you'll want to check out in this video are the Korean Bell Garden and the 18th century log cabin. Be sure to stay until the end to check out the sculpture garden. I think I've shared enough about this place for you to stick around for the tour. Grab your morning coffee or after work beverage, sit back and relax to some relaxing music as we explore Meadowlark Botanical Garden. you like the tour thus far, this video was recorded in early spring as a good percentage of the flowers are in bloom. I bet this place is also lovely in the fall season when the leaves are changing. In my personal opinion, this place would be dreadful in the summertime because there isn't much shade on the trails. Despite the lack of shades, I'd highly recommend Meadowlark Botanical Garden during the spring and fall seasons. We can see ourselves visiting Meadowlark Botanical Gardens once a year because it's quite lovely and relaxing. If you visit this attraction because of this video, let us know in the comment section below. We'd love to hear what you thought about this place. For the people watching this video who already live in Northern Virginia, let me know if there are any other places I should check out in the area. We're always looking for places to explore. Some people ask us why we post these tours on the Real Estate YouTube channel. Since we're big on improving the quality of life for our clients and friends, we don't want to sell you a house without giving you an idea of what type of community and attractions are included with the prices of your homes. Some of these attractions we tour are visited by people from all over the world. Get the most out of your real estate investment in the Northern Virginia area by exploring the entire region. If you made it to the end of this tour, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.